Hello everyone, welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, we'll explain how to get back Wi-Fi option on Windows 10 by using the built-in Windows Troubleshooter to detect and fix network issues. Step 1. Click on the search box located on the taskbar. This search feature helps you quickly access Windows settings and tools without navigating through multiple menus. Step 2. Type Troubleshoot settings into the search box. This option leads you to Windows diagnostic tools designed to automatically find and fix common problems. Step 3. Click on Troubleshoot settings from the search results. This opens the troubleshooting section inside the Settings app. Step 4. Click on Additional Troubleshooters. This section contains advanced troubleshooters for different system components, including network connections. Step 5. Locate internet connections in the list. This troubleshooter focuses on issues related to Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and overall internet access. Step 6. Click on Run the Troubleshooter. Windows will now scan for problems and attempt to restore the missing Wi-Fi option automatically. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by Windows to complete the troubleshooting process and apply any suggested fixes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows troubleshooting videos.